Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
All of those prophecies deal with the public appearance of the Imam Mahdi, and in time that will come. Imam Mahdi exists as the Imam of our age, but has not yet appeared publicly. In the battle against Iblees, on the brink of the final reckoning, tactics and timing are everything. Imam Mahdi works with stealth and keeps his headquarters concealed. He travels and meets people, and people who want to contact him can do so, but he makes no public appearance. Not yet. For he is fighting a grand war against the ancient deceiver, and after him there are no imams, just Qiyamah. Iblis fears the Mahdi as he has never feared any imam before. Iblis has long consolidated his power, yet knows he is not truly immortal. He knows he will die, and he knows that it is the Mahdi who will finish him. Iblis rightly fears the 12th Imam. What do we know of the Mahdi, who can cause even the most powerful enemy, Iblis, to feel such fear? We look again to the words of the Prophet. Allah will make Ruhullah Isa, son of Maryam, to descend and pray behind Imam al-Mahdi, and the earth will be illuminated by his radiance, and his power will reach to the east and the west. In another hadith he said, Mahdi is from my progeny and from the children of Fatima. Fatima Zahra told her son Hussein, when I give birth to you, the Prophet came to see me. He took you in his hands and said to me, O Fatima, take your Hussein and know that he is the father of 9 Imams. From his descendants will appear righteous leaders, among whom the 9th will be the Hain. Hain is another title of the Mahdi. It means the one who rises. The promise made by the Prophet is true, as always. Imam Mahdi has a long life, and we know that until he makes a public appearance, the world will not end. But when he does, he will fill the earth with truth and justice, where it was filled with cruelty and oppression. When that time comes, it will be the happiest for mankind. We live in a time of great excitement. We are in the time of preparation for the appearance of the Mahdi, a time where relationships are built. We can all prepare alongside the Mahdi for the time of his golden rule. As he prepares for his appearance, we can ensure that we establish and strengthen our connection with him, so that we stand ready when he calls us publicly to come to him. Imam Mahdi is now on a journey no less special than the journey of Karbala made by Imam Hussein. Will you join the 12th and final Imam in his journey, or will you ignore this journey as most Muslims did at the time of Imam Hussein? The end game may not have begun, but the pieces are moving into position, and we must ensure we end up in the right place. Iblis knows this and is more active than ever, trying every trick he has learned to outmaneuver the Imam and delay his appearance. Iblis can sense the final battle approaching. He has crafted some of his most sophisticated deceptions to fool us into following him and to distract the plans of the Imam. Iblis knows that if the Imam and his supporters can defeat Dajjal in the final battle, this will also be the end for Iblis. The two armies start to gather. Dajjal and Iblis are joined by others from the jinn world. Imam Mahdi stands on the other side along with the good jinn, for he is an Imam over the jinn as much as he is over man. Two great armies facing off, both knowing war is coming, both waiting for the first move. We will play our part too, and must find ourselves on the right side. The war will come. The battle will rage. And at the end, Imam Mahdi will stand victorious. All those who stand against the Imam will be vanquished. The evil jinn and even Iblis himself, the outcast, will be banished to suffer in hell forever. The end of the war and the conquest over Iblis will usher in a new era for the world. Imam Mahdi's rule will be a triumph of true, peaceful, unadulterated Islam. Gone will be the fiery jinn whispering in our ears, enticing our souls to sin. Sin may still exist, but overall there will be peace, justice, and tranquility. There will be no Iblis to cloud our vision, and we will see only the truth. There are many hadith and prophecies which tell of the wonder of this golden age of the Ummah of the Prophet. That is the future. For now, Iblis is among us, and so is our Imam. Even though he has not yet made his public appearance, this is a historic time, and we are part of the struggle and must unite to create the conditions for his public appearance. The first step is to build connections, to feel the Imam's presence in the world and to make him feel yours. Salam, or sending your salutations to him, is an excellent way to build this connection with him. In your salutations, you can address him by any of his titles, as in Ya Imam al-Mehdi, or Ya Sahib al-Zaman, meaning O Master of the Time. You can address him also as Ya Baqiyatullah, which means O that which remains with Allah and is preserved by Allah, for Allah has indeed preserved this last Imam, who is the pride of mankind. The other 11 Imams before him have taught the etiquette for sending special salutations to the Mehdi. A touch on the forehead when mentioning his name is a mark of respect. It is like saying, your service is on my head, O Mehdi. Everything you want, I'll obey you. Although he makes no public appearance, he is still your guide. He is in contact with people who need him or call upon him for guidance. There are many ways in which he offers guidance and help. He doesn't need a public speech for that. He does not need to appear publicly to be able to help you and guide you, not when he is assisted by a force of powerful and good souls and saints, the calendars, Dajjal, Kutub, and others. They keep him informed about the world and help him stay connected to his followers. Angels deliver to the Imam the messages of all those who write to him, thousands of messages from people of many religions. These people experience a response from the Imam in the form of solutions and guidance in their problems. He is called upon by many angels, including the Ruhul Amin, on the night of power. This night of power, or the Laylatul Qadr, is talked about in the Quran as the night in which the affairs decided by Allah are presented by the Ruhul Amin to the Imam. You may remember this from the earlier hadith, where Imam Ali said, "Every year has the night of power, the Laylatul Qadr, and in this night the affairs of the entire year are sent down. These affairs are handed to the one possessing authority after the Holy Prophet." Among all the Imams, the Mehdi is given the most importance in the scriptures. Followers of many religions around the world await his public appearance, when he will unite all of the sons and daughters of Adam as they have never been united before. Every person on earth, be they Christian, Muslim, or any other faith, will stand together with the Imam. Differences between people will remain, but the overriding humanity of all people will rise above these differences as never before. The human spirit will prevail, and humanity will be as one.